Hi, welcome to another Tech Horn video. This video shows how to create an Android app that is free and no programming knowledge required. It only takes a few minutes to build your first app. Let's start. Visit appyet.com and sign up to create your account. It's free. Enter your application name. The package name is auto-generated or you can write your own. Select blank template and click Create App. Now let's create an app icon. Fire up Photoshop or any graphics tool you have. Create a new document size 192 by 192 pixel. Make your design for the app icon. When done, save the file as PNG. Now on the application icon, select Choose File and select the icon you've created. Select the desired content rating and save changes. Once you saved, your new icons will appear. Do the same for the header image with size 512 by 288 pixel. Once you saved, your new icons will appear. Now go to the Modules tab. Scroll down to New Module section and select Web. Type your menu name. Menu order let you sort the menu. If you input 0, then the menu list will be at the top. Save, and change the type from web content to web link if you want to link website, social media pages and more. Copy your website address and paste it in the link box. Follow the same steps if you want to add more menu. All you need to provide is links to RSS, Atom feed or website. They are automatically converted into stunning pure native apps for Android. To change the menu icons, go back to Modules tab, click Details. You can set a menu icon to Icon Picker to choose from existing icons. Disable unwanted modules or unused module, go to Details and turn off the Enable icon. This will exclude the module from the build. Now go to Setting tab. You have the option to choose default language. Splash screen and more. On the Monetize tab, make your desired settings. Go to Build tab and start the build process. You'll receive an email with the download link when the build is completed. You'll need to unzip the downloaded file. Then install the app. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more videos on TechHorn channel.